Major General Siziva's death is the latest in a series of high-ranking officer deaths that raised concerns about the underlying factors behind the losses and the impact on national security. Sanamina mashoko zvashamisa kunyangwe nevanhu veNehanda Radio vakati aiwa kutisiya kwaita General Siziva aiwa kwavhundutsa vanhu vanyatsokuona kuti aiwa national state security yenyika yeZimbabwe it is now to be questioned. Sanamina mashoko nyogwa panapa nemamwe magenerals avabuda vachiexposa nobva subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tichipinda pano pamunehanda vangu chiti in recent months several senior army officials have died under various circumstances including Air Commando retired Peter Gideon Sheikh Zimondi, Brigadier General Shadrack Ndavambi, retired Brigadier General Michael Chamunuka, Colonel Andrew Kabaira, retired Brigadier General Lamek Francisco Mutanda, and Brigadier General Shadrack Veja. The current events are also happening at a time when the ruling ZANU-PF party is facing a succession crisis, with President Edi Mnangagwa allegedly planning to extend the constitution and seek another term beyond his constitutional limits in 2028. When Air Commander Richard Zimondi died in September last year, the Commander Air Force of Zimbabwe, Air Marshal Jacob John Jade, expressed deep concern over the alarming rate at which his fellow military officers are passing away, describing the situation as more painful to accept. Tomashukano anobuda achitaura panapa vanhu kuti aiwa kamufiro kari kuita matop officials aiwa vamwe vari kuhighlightiwa semacoup officials aiwa zviri kunyatsokuraisa maspeculations nemaquestions kuti why zvinhu izvo zvinenge zviri planned noda kwekuti aiwa havangangotevedzani kumusoro ikoko, especially vari kuzivikanwa kunzi maallies aiwa athe vice president. Todze mafunguro enyu moti kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.